Yo, what is up, legends? My name is Wikus and welcome back to the Week Trading channel, where trading Nasdaq has become nothing but precision. I would like to apologize for not uploading a video last week, as some of you already know what happened, but I'm back this week and we are ready to look at the markets. I would like to say thank you to everybody that's completed the survey so far, and congratulations to the 2 people that has won the free entry to the full Nasdaq course. The survey is still open and anybody can join the group and participate, and the more people that complete the survey, the more people will get free access to the full Nasdaq course. Now, if you missed the news about the 100 followers on Instagram, for every 100 people that follows me on Instagram, 1 person will also be added for free to the full Nasdaq course. So keep your eye on my follow account on Instagram. And if you're not a follower on Instagram, please go and follow the Week Trading page and make sure that you keep an eye on that 100 followers. For every time I reach 100 followers, the first person that DMs me with that 100 amount will be the person that gets free access to my full Nasdaq course. Well done to the 2 people that has already won it. And I'm looking forward to get more people to follow me, and I'm looking forward to get more people into the full Nasdaq course for free. If you haven't seen the post on Facebook or Instagram yet, Black Friday will be a black week. From the 26th of November to the 3rd of December, anybody will be able to sign up to the full Nasdaq course for not 3,500 Rand, the usual price. You will be able to sign up for 1,500 Rand. It is 1 week that you will get to sign up for the full Nasdaq course for 1,500 Rand. Once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video, and please watch the video to the end. I would really appreciate it. But before I take too much of your time, let's get straight into the market. Okay, so let's have a look on the weekly chart what the weekly is showing to us. So we first of all mark off our important zones. There's the first one and then the second one right above it, around about there. So those are the 2 weekly zones that we are looking at right now. We can as well maybe just put another one down there for if the market decides to go down. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but let's put it there. Maybe one here as well. I think that's really low, but I don't think that's going to happen. So let's just put them there and just forget about them for now. For now, I'm looking at those 2 zones, going down to the daily time frame, having a look at what the daily is showing to us. We can have a look at that little area there. We can see this area already marked off on the weekly time frame, so I'm just going to keep that one there. And this one, mark this one in blue for it's a daily zone, and just put my line accurately there. Okay, so these are the areas. That one already on the weekly zone. I'm going to keep it there and just lock it. So those are the 3 zones that I'm looking on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what I'm also noticing, we've got this ABCD pattern that played out here at the bottom, round about here. And this one played out quite nicely, ABCD, and it completed. And then after that, we have not yet got a good enough retracement to complete another ABCD pattern on the daily time frame. So that shows that there is a possibility for some bear movement coming in, possibly this week or next week, looking at the structure. But if we look at the candles of the daily time frame, there is too much bull momentum in the market to expect it to happen right now or within the next day or 2. Also, the candles doesn't really show it at the top here, as this is a lot of bull momentum. It's really strong. Okay, going down to the 4-hour time frame, just having a look at the 4-hour, how it's played out since this trend has started playing. So if we take a trend line from the bottom, we move it up here, you can see the market quite followed this trend quite nicely. Eventually broke up above this zone and didn't want to break below it again to come and retest or basically get a touch of the trend line. It just continued playing up away from this weekly zone that's been broken and retested. Okay, so now going down to the 1-hour time frame, looking at all of this momentum here, I know that there could have been sells expected from this area around about here, but if we look at what the market did when it started moving up, it completed ABCD patterns continuously. It's more than one ABCD pattern that literally played out the whole time, and the market did not want to break below this trend line at all. So the market just started completing ABCD patterns the whole time, And that is basically where we are now. We've got an open ABCD pattern. We've got a little bit of support and resistance zones here on the left, looking at the 1 hour time frame. We've got this little zone here that's been broken and has been retested. I just want to make this a bit more accurate, something like that. And we can see that this area here, support and resistance, eventually broke out, came down for a little bit of a support here. We can see there's a bit of a retest of this area that'll make it quite legitimate for a nice break and retest of this zone, and then a continuation up. But if we look at this area has not formed a significant enough ABCD pattern to actually continue up the whole time now. So remember that this zone can move up the whole time before it comes back down again. But for now, we are starting to lose momentum in this specific area. I'm not saying that the market is definitely going to break down from this zone, but it is possible that we at some stage can see some movement coming down again. Maybe retest this trend line, maybe retest this zone, and then a continuation up. If it does break below this area, retest of this zone, this trend line, or this area again, we can expect a bit more bear movement coming in, maybe even going lower to complete the daily ABCD pattern that has not been playing out so nicely. So yeah, that's my analysis for the week. It's simple. We've got bull momentum in the market. The market can continue bullish continuously now, but there is some space for the market to come fetch some liquidity at the bottom. I would like to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please be so kind to click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. And I will see you all in the next video. Have an awesome week. Have a legendary week. Cheers.